All right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their solar LED lantern lights 2-pack. Now, the side shows you 10 lumens, sun and moon star pattern, rechargeable battery included, turns on at dusk. This side has the size specs and nothing back here. 8 hours of operating time, 6 hours of charging time. So let's open this on up, take a look at it. Oh, they're golden. I like it. Oh man. So this is what they look like. Great for your stairs or something. It's like this pulls right out and you've got an on-off switch. So we'll switch it over to on, drop it back down in there. You can't see it here, but we'll get it outside where you can see them. Very nice. Love the metal feel. Feels like good quality. Oh, these do have little... That off. Switch it to on. And then there is an instruction guide down in the bottom with your instructions and maintenance and troubleshooting and all that fun stuff. So that should do it for this unboxing. Let's take them outside and show you what they look like. So I think these will look nice on my steps. So I brought these outside and I have them collecting sun, and we'll see what they look like later tonight. Here are the globe lights. You can see they're showing the sun on the step there, and this one's showing the moon. That's the brightness of them. You can see going out a little bit, but they look very nice. I really like how these look. So that'll do it for these solar LED lights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Deuces.